Hey guys, welcome to another video for the Poco X3 PRO, also known as Vayu and Bhima. Now recently we made a video about Gladiator OS Esports Edition for this particular device, and a lot of you have been requesting for an install guide. So in today's video we are going to see the step-by-step guide of installing the latest version of this ROM and what precautions you need to take, what are the files that are needed. Those are linked in the description. So before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. If you like chatting with like-minded people who have similar devices, join us on Telegram. We have more than 1,000 people over there chatting every single day, and we are present on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter as well. Subscribe there for updates. Last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so it's time to install Gladiator OS Esports Extreme Edition based on 21.11.15, and as you can see the change log is pretty lengthy. Now it does say a small note over here, 90 Hz not showing. First click on 120 Hz, then 90 Hz will be automatically available in some time, right? So as you can see over here, there are quite a lot of changes, and that is the reason we are going to cover the installation of the latest Esports Extreme Edition of Gladiator OS. Now, you need to take care of a few things whenever you're flashing a custom ROM. The first and the most basic requirement is you need to have an unlocked bootloader. You need to have a device which has TWRP installed, which we of course have on the Poco X3 PRO. If you're still running MIUI 12.5 or a 12.5 firmware based ROM, I would recommend you to first flash stock MIUI 12 or 12.0.4 or 12.0.6, whatever works for you, and then flash a custom ROM. Now, once you've taken care of all of those things, you need to make sure you have more than 50% battery on your Poco X3 PRO. You need to make sure you've backed up all the information on your phone's internal storage, that is your pictures, music, data, because everything is going to be erased. And last but not the least, you need to ensure that you've removed your lock screen password, your face unlock, your security fingerprint scanner, you've removed your MI account, you've removed your Google account, and then rebooted the device once. Now, once you've taken care of all of that, there is only one file that we will need in order to flash this wonderful ROM. So if you actually go to File Manager over here, you will see that we have this Gladiator OS 21.11.5 Esports Extreme for the Poco X3 PRO. So let's reboot to TWRP over here. Okay. Now to do that, press and hold volume up and power. Okay. Once you're in TWRP, go to wipe, Dalvik, metadata, data, and cache. Don't wipe internal storage because that's where our file is. Okay. Now go to install and select this particular ROM. Swipe to confirm flash. Now this is a MIUI based ROM which is almost 3 GB in file size, so it will take some time to flash, so please be patient. Alright, now as you can see over here, everything has been installed. So go to the main screen, go to wipe, select format data and type in yes. Okay, now reboot system. The first boot will take anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes, so please be patient while that happens. Alright, so as you can see, we are on the setup screen, so we'll quickly skip the setup part over here. Okay, just like that, we are on the home screen. So let's go to settings over here. Let's go to Gladiator OS, and as you can see, 21.11.15 Esports Extreme, everything working as expected, smooth ROM, and I'll get back to you guys probably with a gaming review of this ROM. This was a quick install guide. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video and this ROM. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye.